Holi reminds us to let go of the worries, embrace happiness, and celebrate bonds and brings us all together. My name is Venkat Veerisetti. I am currently volunteering for Bal Vihar, and as most of you know, the Bal Vihar is our Sunday school version where our culture comes alive of our children, guiding them with dharma, language, and tradition. It is a place that shapes young minds, strengthens community, and celebrates who we are. This year, Bal Vihar has been more than a school year. It has been a journey of community, culture, and connection. And none of it would have been possible without the love and support of you all in the American Indian community and the Lehigh Valley. You are the reason for children to have a place to learn who they are and where they come from. I would like to take this moment to thank our HTS board and executive committee who have given their support in conducting Bal Vihar classes at one of the elementary school in Allentown School District, while our mandir, as you all know, is undergoing a monument expansion. We thank Allentown School District and for having Bal Vihar to use their facilities for our classes. This year, Bal Vihar has welcomed about 165 students from over 130 families, guided by about 40 and odd dedicated teachers who volunteer to teach and for the Sunday school. Give all your hands to our wonderful Bal Vihar teachers who has been running it. Thank you so much. This includes the 20 alumni students who have come back to teach as youth teachers. Thank you for them too. When our children chant mantras, as you have seen today, and then the same thing Aarti, we do it every Sunday morning. It's more than a routine. It's a moment where they feel grounded, peaceful, and connected for something very timeless. These moments shape them in ways we may not see today, but they will carry for the life. This year, we grew the intention. Our teachers have added new Dharma class, that's called Bal Gopal, for the youngest of the learners who are kindergartners, and also added a new language, Malayalam, also as a language offering. 5 new teachers have joined, and all our graduates from last year returned to be as youth teachers. Bal Vihar is not just one classroom, it's a home for our heritage, a place where children learn languages and carry their voices of their grandparents and all the heritage back from home. A place where Dharma teaches them kindness, discipline, and a purpose, a place where they discover the divine lives within them. Bal Vihar celebrations, all the things we had in Bal Vihar are filled with joy, from Ravan Dahan and the Lakshmi Puja during the Diwali time, and then the Holi, where children threw colors, and sometimes with the teachers with the pure delight. And through our this is our 15th Diwali to Christmas toy drive. It is the 15th year we do collect toys and gifts for Lehigh Valley Children's Hospital. And thank you for all the families who have supported and donated for the toys and gifts for the Lehigh Valley Children's Hospital. And also this year marks the 10th anniversary for the HTS Bal Vihar Scholarship. And we congratulate the last year graduate scholarship winners, Arjun Garg, Puri Veerisetti, and Vera Gandhi. These are the shining examples in dedication and humility. Thank you. And we also would like to introduce the current Bal Vihar graduating class 2025 and 2026. Arna Parekh, Adya Narayanan, Riyan Parikh, Sanvi Jha. So these are the ones we have. We have a few more kids who are missing today. Dev Patel, Sharuni Nimalan, and Shaurya Patel, Mugdha Chaturvedi, and Raghav Mishra. And these kids will go through another process of the interviews, and these guys will be getting scholarships very soon. Thank you. As we honor our graduating kids of 2025, we send them forward with your blessings. They leave with values rooted in Dharma, compassion, and resilience, qualities the world would now needed more than ever. Thank you all. For 49 years, Bal Vihar has been a sanctuary for our children, and with the mandir expansion ahead and future is bright, together we continue raising a generation that is kind, confident, deeply rooted in their heritage. Thank you. Go ahead. And our amazing kids and families from Lehigh Valley have prepared a vibrant performances that will light up the stage. Today is not just about the colors. It's about joy, unity, and spirit togetherness. We are here to celebrate our culture, our friendship, and the incredible talents of our children and families. Today's performances will reflect that spirit full of creativity, talent, and joy. So get ready for this afternoon of color, culture, and celebration of this holy hair. Thank you. And I'm going to ask our program director, Neela Shafji, to welcome you all again.
Thank you, Venkatji.